Hello guys, welcome to my Digital Tutor Channel. I welcome to you on my channel. Mm, I made this web page as you can check. You can check its user interface. In this web page, I made only one element that's fixed with my mouse cursor. I fixed that element with my mouse cursor by JavaScript. Now I will implement this as my mouse cursor and then I will develop it more functionality. I will implement this as my mouse cursor and then I will develop it more and implement more functionality as you can check it on your own choice. You can change it as your own choice and make it on your own choice. Next time I will develop it as an application. Okay, thank you guys. I will implement it. I will meet you next time. Thank you.